Hey guys, Brandon here with Exotic Cars 19 with another point of view driving video. This is only the second video I've made with this new car. In case you guys missed it, I made kind of a quick overview, not so much a review, but overview and introduction into this car. But if you guys have not seen that, this is my mother's new car. This is the Mercedes-AMG C63 S Edition 1. I'll go ahead and just start with a quick walk around, not really go over some of the specs. I mean, I've kind of done that in the last video and you guys may have seen all that before as well. So there you go, quick walk around. I got a GoPro in the back. I'm not gonna use the video, I'm just using the audio on that. So I've synced them up. So hopefully we could get some really cool exhaust sounds, because as you guys will be able to see, the burbles and the pops are pretty insane with this, with the V8. Alrighty. So with the exterior camera rolling, hold on, let me get the seatbelt on. Let's go ahead and start it up. It's gonna default to comfort mode. So, default to comfort mode, as you can see from the exhaust valves being closed. Let's open that up and put the automatic start-stop off. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the key here. So I'm not gonna mess around, let's just go straight into Sport Plus. Exhaust valves are always gonna be open on that mode unless you obviously turn it off. And the revs go up a little bit higher. Stiffest suspension gets turned on. I'm gonna go to the softest suspension because we're just on a normal road. And then manual shifting, and that's all good. So from there, let's just get rolling. So it says the one, I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that one just because I'm in the manual transmission mode. Let's go ahead and put the parking brake down and get rolling. So we caught up to this fire engine here. Unfortunately, there are parts of the road that will open up pretty soon here. Just hoping I don't lose a whole lot of light until then, but just stay patient with me. think we're about done. Let me go ahead and stop it, put in park and brake up and all. Probably do a final walk around. All right, and hopefully the rear GoPro's still there. That's always a good sign. So anyway, I know we I don't know how I'm gonna edit this because I got a little bit more traffic than I was expecting this time of the day, kind of sunset. But I hope the colors are doing this justice. I put the GoPro in auto mode. Usually I put it in Pro Tune and mess with it myself, but just with the bare eyes, the car and the hill country views and the valleys and everything like that, it is really, really just something else. This car, the week and a half or two that, you know, I've had to experience it, yeah, I'm very happy for my mother. She's probably not gonna tap into a quarter of its potential, but that's just fine. I mean, this is something that you can drive, you know, when you're lazy. You could even drive spiritedly and be lazy because it's just so easy to drive quickly or mundanely. It does it well. It does both so well. But anyway, I just kind of want to keep on rambling, but I guess that's the video. If you guys made it till the very end, I appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for watching. I plan on doing another point of view drive video, except with the GT350 with the pedal cam. You guys seem to like that, like I did last time. So expect another one of those in the works sometime pretty soon, within the week, I'd imagine. But that does it for this video. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.